Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, I've got a super quick and easy tutorial for you on how to download TikTok videos without that boring watermark. So, you found an amazing TikTok video that you want to save and share without the watermark. Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. Open your TikTok app and find the video you want to download. Tap on the share button below the video. Select the copy link option. Open your web browser and visit a TikTok video downloader website called Snaptik. You can find these by doing a quick search on your favorite search engine. Once you're on the website, paste the link you copied from TikTok into the provided field. Click the download. Wait for the website to process the video. This may take a few moments, depending on the length and quality of the video. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a TikTok video without that watermark. Now, you can save it to your device and share it with your friends and followers. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our awesome content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy TikToking!